A very good morning to all of you. In this class, we will have a discussion about how to write a good composition. Now, this skill requires your creativity. Here you can write your heart out, whatever you are feeling, how do you want to construct your composition, what are the points you want to include. Now, this is the section where you can be as much creative as you want. Before writing a good composition, we should keep certain points in our mind. Now, let us discuss those before we proceed in writing a composition. First is what? That is heading. Heading. When choosing a heading for your composition, make sure it relates to the presented content. Keep it very catchy and short to grab the reader's attention. It would not be recommended to you to make your heading a long and complex sentence. Try to make it short but catchy. The next important thing after your heading is what? The introduction. It generally helps the reader to understand what your composition is all about, right? So try to make it not too lengthy, very clear and very lucid. It should have a direct approach to your topic. Generally, it will prepare your reader for what to follow further, right? After your introductory paragraph, make a smooth transition to the main part of your composition, that is the body. Here all your key points will be developed with your expression and feelings. Don't forget, this is the heart of your composition. Now comes conclusion. Conclusion is the last but not the least part of your composition. Never end your story abruptly. Take time to compose a beautiful ending that can conclude your whole piece of writing. So, after composing a good conclusion, your writing will achieve that beautiful level. So here you will summarize all the main points. Do not add anything extra here. Nothing new should be added. End your writing with a good conclusion. In that way, your composition will not be underestimated. Now understand? Now we will go forward to a specimen composition. After going through that, one topic is given to you. You will write a composition on your own, right? And you have full liberty there. Compose the way you want to make it, right? So, what was the topic of the composition? Your favorite hobby. As I have given the heading, my favorite hobby, you can give any other heading as per your liking. So, we will begin with our introductory paragraph. If I were to pick one favorite hobby of mine out of the many I have, I will definitely pick dancing. I developed a taste for dancing when I was very young. The way my feet moved to the rhythm of the music convinced my parents that I was a born dancer. Dancing is very uplifting as well as economical. Now comes body. Here you will explain everything, all the main points with expression and feelings. Don't forget, this is the heart of your composition. So as heart is a very important organ of our human body, this is very important. I have always had a love for music and dance. However, I never realized the utter joy they bring to humans. Dance also taught me how to stay strong and push my limits. I have had many injuries while dancing, too many bruises and cuts, but that did not stop me from pursuing it further. Rather, I have enrolled in dancing classes because I wish to make my hobby my career. I feel we all should do things which we enjoy doing. Everyone is running after money and in this race. They give up their likings and preferences. I have learned from this race and decided not to take part in it. I wish to take the road less traveled by and take on the challenges most people don't dare to. In short, my hobby of dancing makes me feel alive. It is the only thing I look forward the most to. Thus, I hope to achieve my dream of being a professional dancer and making way for people who wish to make careers out of their hobbies. So here ends with the conclusion. So hopefully you got an idea how to write your own composition. After going through the specimen writing, hopefully you have a compact idea to proceed further. Now I have given an assignment for you, that is aim in life. This is the topic of the composition. Now you write this composition the way you want. Add all the points, but keep in your mind those 4 points that I already told. That is introduction, then first heading, then introduction, then the main body, and last conclusion. So keeping all this in your mind, compose a good writing. All the very best, and we'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself, keep writing, have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.